change the battery for a Nissan Key. Start off by getting a little Phillips head screwdriver and undoing the Phillips head screw at the back of the case. Remove the screw, and then the casing should come apart. If it's being a bit stiff, just get a little flathead screwdriver. And pull it apart. That's the back off, and that's where the battery is. So just get a little flathead screwdriver to get the battery out. It's a CR2016 battery, and then get your new one and put it back in. Then put it back onto the casing from the back first, and then do the front, and then get the screw just to secure it again. And just do it back up with that little Phillips screwdriver. And that's it, you're done.
If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe if you want more.